Welcome back. If you haven't already, please subscribe, hit that notification bell. Like and share this video as well, helps a lot. Guys, there's an important battery issue that you need to be aware of on this model. There's probably going to be a firmware update that fixes it, hopefully, but you might want to be careful when you charge your batteries the first time and activate them, okay? What you want to do is do not use that hub. I should go get it, but it comes with a 3 battery charging hub. Do not use that the first time you charge your batteries. Just plug this battery singularly up to the charging cable, charge it. When it's done, unplug it, and then you can activate it. And then plug your next battery into that single charging hub, and then repeat for all 3, okay? Apparently there's a issue where if you plug all 3 of them into that charging hub and charge them, sometimes one of them or all of them will have problems and you will not be able to use them. You'll have to get them replaced. Alright guys, real quick, there's a solution that's been put out for this battery issue. And don't take my word for this, you're going to have to try it yourself if you've already bricked your batteries. Hopefully you haven't already done that. But according to a website, DJI has spoken with them, and this is a workaround about how to solve the problem, okay? Alright, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to put the battery inside the aircraft. Turn it on and wait for at least 3 minutes. Then you're going to turn off the battery, take the battery out of the drone, and leave it alone for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, take the battery, put it into your battery charger, and charge it, okay? You're going to want to charge it on the single charger, just like we've already talked about, okay? Once the battery is full, you're going to insert it back into the drone, update the battery firmware to the latest version, and that should fix the issue. And then you should be able to wake up the battery normally, and you should be able to charge it on the charging hub after you've done that step and fully charge it as doing that current solution. Hopefully the solution is true, and hopefully it works. So good luck. So hopefully they fix this in the future. After you've charged them the first time and activated them the first time individually, you can thereafter use the charging hub and you should be fine. But just for that first activation, make sure you follow that direction. Alright guys, have a good one, and thanks a lot for subscribing and liking and sharing this video.